Hello guys and welcome back to Techis Guru channel. Today we are going to be learning how to delete Facebook account permanently. Here is a guide on how to delete your Facebook account permanently. First of all, open the Facebook app. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and scroll down. You can see here setting and privacy. Tap on it and tap on setting. In setting and privacy, tap on account center and scroll down. You can see here personal details. Tap on it and tap on account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Choose your Facebook account. Select delete account and scroll down. After that, tap on continue. Choose a reason for leaving, then tap on continue and follow the further instruction to delete your Facebook account. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.